everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Snorlax, and he is eating a lot of candy. Okay, here we go. Let's start with Snorlax's head, and I'm going to draw just a curved line around like that, and that's going to be the top of his head. And then to draw his ears, those are just going to be like two little triangles. So one on the left and triangle on the right. And we can continue his face around. So it almost looks like a C shape right here. And we're going to make the same shape on the right side. And we're going to leave it open at the bottom. Now let's work on his face. So if you go to the top of his head in the middle, we're going to make a little V shape like this. And then from there, we are going to draw a line that curves around and goes to about there. And then same on the right. And that's going to be the part of his face that's like a tan color. Now for his eyes, they're just two little curved lines like this. Because in this drawing, his eyes are closed. So they're very simple to draw. And we're gonna make his mouth open. So let's draw the top of his mouth. And then the bottom of his mouth will be a U shape. Because he is super happy because he has all of this candy. All right. And two little triangles on the bottom for teeth. And a curved line for his tongue. All right, perfect. Next, let's draw his body. So go right here, kind of where his face ends, and draw a big curved line down. And same on the right. Big curved line down. Let's make that curve out just a little bit more. Okay. And next we can draw his arms. So let's start on the left, go a little bit below where his face ends, and we're going to draw a line that kind of goes to the center of his body. And it's going to curve around like that. And then we're going to draw a short line underneath. Now we're going to leave this open because this space we're going to fill with candy. And then Snorlax also has like little claws at the end of his arm, like that. All right, and let's do the same for the right. Start below his face, draw a line down, and then it curves around just a little bit. Draw the bottom of his arm. And then you can do the little triangles for his claws. I left this space open because we're going to fill that part with candy too. Okay. Let's finish drawing his body. So jump back up here to this line, and we are just going to connect it to his arm. And same on the right. And this part will all be tan, and then the outside of his body will be like that teal bluish color. All right, next step, to draw all this candy. And the easiest way that I found to make candy is to just draw a bunch of circles. And I would do a circle, and then on the inside you can make like a little spiral. You can leave it like that, or if you want your candy to have a wrapper, you can draw like a little triangle that comes out of the side of it. And notice that the pointy side of the triangle is touching the circle. Okay? And you can do candy like that. You can do just plain circles. Some candy I put dots on. And then you can change up the sizes, do smaller circles, and kind of hide the circles behind each other. And I also did candy that was like a long shape, like a rectangular shape, with little triangles coming out the side for wrappers. And I drew stripes on it. So really, it's whatever you want to do. So we just want to fill up this whole section with candy, all shapes and sizes. And notice how I drew the candy right up to that open space in his arm. And that kind of fills in that line. All right. I almost have it all filled up. And you can draw as much candy as you want, or as little as you want. I think that looks pretty good for our Snorlax. All right, that looks great. Let's color. Our Snorlax looks amazing and super happy with all that candy. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. I hope you had fun. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.